Students, today we will learn one of the topic of real number. It is irrational number. So all of you now please concentrate your mind here. Irrational number. Then what is the exact definition of irrational number? A number which is neither terminating nor repeating is called irrational number. A number which is neither terminating and nor repeating. Now look at the example here. 1.01, 001, 0001, 4 times 01, 5 times 0 after 1 and up to infinity. This is the example of irrational number because this number is neither terminating nor repeating also. That's why it is irrational number. Now pi is irrational number. But students, to solve the mathematics, we take the value of pi is equal to 22 by 7 and the value of pi is 3.14. Then the both are rational number. Why? Because 22 by 7 is written in the form of p by q and 3.14 is a terminating decimal and terminating decimal is also a rational number. When the both value of pi are rational, then why pi is irrational? Because 22 by 7 and 3.14 is not the exact value of pi. बस स्टूडेंट्स इसको assume किया गया है मैथ्स को सॉल्व करने के लिए. Now the value of a pi is neither terminating nor repeating. That's why pi is irrational number. Students, you have learned in the class 8th standard perfect square number. Means what? When we multiplying the number itself by 2 times, we get the perfect square number. Now concentrate your mind here. A positive number which is not a perfect square, then the square root of positive number is irrational. Suppose, look at here. 7 is a positive number, but it is not a perfect square. Then the square root of 7 is irrational. Another example, root 8. 8 is a positive number, but it is not a perfect square. Then the square root of 8 is irrational, etc. Now, you have learned in the cube and cube root also in the class 8th standard. Then what is the cube? When we multiplying the number itself by 3 times, we get the perfect cube number. Now, concentrate your mind here, students. A number which is positive but not a perfect cube, then the cube root of a positive number is also irrational. Look at here. 9 is a positive number, but it is not a perfect cube. Then the cube root of 9 is irrational number. Now look at the another example here. Now we will learn the sum property of irrational number. Look at here. Sum of two irrational numbers is either rational or irrational. Means student, दो irrational नंबर को अगर हम प्लस करेंगे तो या तो वो रैशनल होगा या irrational होगा, बोथ हो सकता है. Now look at the example here. Suppose minus root 3 is irrational and root 3 is also irrational number. Now find the sum of these two irrational number. Minus root 3 plus root 3. So it is 0. Now 0 is a rational number. Now look at the another example. Root 5 is irrational number. Root 2 is irrational number. Then the sum of two irrational number is irrational here. So now here it is rational, but here it is irrational. Then we can say that the sum of two irrational number is either rational or irrational. Next one. Difference of two irrational number is also either rational or irrational number. Now look at the example here. Root 5 is irrational. Again root 5 is irrational. Then the difference of root 5 minus root 5, it is 0 and 0 is a rational number. Now look at the another example. Root 5 is irrational number. Root 3 is irrational number. And the difference of root 5 minus root 3 is also a irrational. Then student, means दो irrational number को अगर हम minus करेंगे तो rational भी हो सकता है, irrational भी हो सकता है. Now look at the next property here. Suppose we multiply and find the product of two rational number, then either it is rational or irrational. Now look at here example. Suppose it is root 5 is irrational number and again root 5 is irrational. When we multiplying this one, it is root 25 and the square root of root 25 is 5. So it is a rational. Now another, root 3 is an irrational number and root 2 is irrational number. Now when we multiplying the both irrational number, we take the single root and it is 3 2s are 6. So root 6 is irrational number. Means student, अगर दो irrational number को हम multiply करेंगे तो either वो rational हो सकता है या irrational भी हो सकता है. At the same way, when we divide the two irrational number, then it is either rational or irrational. Now look at your example. Suppose you have given here 72 by root 2. Now 72 is a rational number and root 2 is also a rational number. When we divide this one, we can take the single root and write down 72 by 2. Now divided by this one, so it becomes root 36 and the square root of 36 is 6. So now it is rational number. Now when we divide root 12 by root 2, root 12 is irrational number, root 2 is also a rational number. When we take a single root here, so 12 divided by 2, so it is root 6. Now root 6 is also a irrational. Means student, अगर दो irrational number को divide करेंगे तो ये rational भी हो सकता है, irrational भी हो सकता है. So now you student keep all the properties of irrational number and learn it by your heart and keep all the properties of irrational number in your mind. Now student, we will come in the definition of this chapter, real number. Now then, what is the exact definition of real number? All the rational number and irrational number together called real number. Means students, सभी रैशनल और इरेशनल नंबर दोनों आपस में जो होगा वही रियल नंबर होता है. नाउ अनदर definition of real number, a number which are represented on number line. मीन्स जिस भी नंबर्स को हम लोग नंबर लाइन में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं उसी को हम लोग रियल नंबर कहते हैं. एंड नाउ द अनदर एंड वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डिफिनेशन ऑफ द रियल नंबर, a number whose square is not a negative integer called real number. Now look at the another example here. Suppose it is 5. Now when we find the square of this one, it is 25. So it is positive. Then we can say that 5 is a real number. Minus 4. Now square of this one. So minus 4 square is also 16. Then the square of these two numbers are positive. It is not negative. Then 5 and minus 4 is a real number. But now look at the example here. Suppose we take under root minus 5 and square this number. So it becomes what? When we square this one, now the root removed. So it is minus 5. Now the square of this number is negative integer. Then we can say that under root minus 5 is not a real number. Means what is the definition? A number whose square is not a negative integer called real number. Means student, जिसका स्क्वायर करने पे नेगेटिव इंटीजर नहीं आना चाहिए वो सब का सब नंबर रियल होता है. Now this number is called imaginary number, and you will learn these numbers in the higher classes. Okay students, now we explain the further detail of rational or irrational in next class. Okay, bye, have a nice day.